Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is going to be my second cloth and paper unboxing. It's my second box I ever received. I have the one with the Penspiration edition, I think. So stationery and pens. So, alright. Just came today too. So excited. It's my second box. I really liked the first one. So I said I was going to, keep at least 3 of them and see if I really want to continue. So here we go. Right here we have a cute little card with like, what do you call those? Double brush pens. This is the thank you note. Oh, there's a code. Penspiration test sheet. They always include one of these. It comes in this, I just love how they package it. Let's just, I can't get it out. All right. Let me see if I can get it out without messing up. Oh, here go the pens. Well, I guess we're starting with the pens. We have a brown envelope this month. Last month it was clear. Let's see what we have here. Oops. Right here is a pure sugar, huh? Oh, it's a pencil eraser. Okay. Oh, I think I have one of these at work. You just refill it, and the whole thing is like an eraser you can use separate from the pencil. This is a cute pink pen here. Oh, I wonder how this works. Oh, I have the card. We'll get to that in a minute. Here's something blue here. Oh, this is a soft highlighter, a blue soft highlighter. I love blue, my favorite color. Oh, this is a nice slim pen. We have this little slim pen here and a gray marker. This is called Monomy Plus pen. And lead refills? Wait, something over here requires a lead refill? Well, let's see. So we know this is an eraser, so we'll put that to the side. Here's our test sheet. So this right here is, oh, this is the lead pencil. Is this it? Let's see. Is this a lead pencil? Feels like a lead pencil. It's not a lead pencil, is it? No, that's a pen. I'm such a dummy. I don't know. I'm trying to film in this different light so I don't get a shade, a shadow, but I'm still getting a shadow. See, let's write the word shadow. Oh, I like the highlighter. Is it double-sided? No, but it's still cute. This must be the pencil. Yep, here's the pencil. I like this pencil. Yeah, I guess that's why there's lead refills for people like me, but get that out the way. Cool. Stick that in my bag right now. I need that pencil. And this is gray. Ooh, I like how this one writes. Very nice. And the refills right here. Okay, cool. Let's get going. What else we got in here? We have these little cards. What are these? It's like it's the month. Are they like monthly journaling cards maybe? Let's see. Sure enough. They're little cards for the month. This is January, what your priorities are, 1, 2, and 3 with the date. Same with February, March, oops, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yep, for the whole year. Oh, these are cute. I like those. That's something different. I guess, I don't know, you could put it like in the front of your planner in one of those little holders. I'll figure it out. And this right here is a what? Let's see. This out the way. These are more cards? Like, what is this? Okay, what am I doing with this? Has a date and has the month. Day of the week and some, what are these like? I honestly don't know what this is. I don't know what it is. It's just like a to-do list. You put the date here and the month. I honestly don't know what this is and what I'm supposed to do with it. Okay. Next, we have, okay, this seems to be the theme and the shape for the month. But what is this? Seriously, if you know what it is, tell me down below because I don't know what it is. And we have more in another cute color, but seriously, what the heck are they? It's not a sticker. Nice paper though, but what are these? What are these? What am I supposed to do with them? I don't know. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Hopefully something I know what to do. Ah, look, sticky notes. This I can work with. I know what to do with these. These, I don't know what to do with. All right, hold on. Let's see what we have. Get this open. See what we have. Seems to be a popular item in the community now. So this is for your inbox. Cool. Because I can definitely use those. Top 3. Oh, okay. Top 3. I like that. AM for like a morning routine. I could work with that. PM for your evening routine. And any appointments. Now this, I can very useful. Definitely can work with that. What else we having? We got them again. Again? I need more? How many of these things? Wait a minute. These don't have labels. Okay, so wait. Please don't tell me these are more Post-its. What the heck is this? A Post-it box? I want other things. I don't want Post-its on my... Sure enough. More Post-its. More Post-its. More Post-its. More Post-its. Okay. Okay, apparently this is a Post-it box. Yeah. I know I don't sound too happy because I'm really not so far yet. Okay. Oh, now I'm starting to get happy. Ooh. A 2020 divider. I was hoping the whole box would not be Post-it notes. Very nice frosted. Perfect for my A6. And we got, oh, look, another divider. Oh, a Today. Oh, now that I can definitely use. Very nice. A Today frosted divider. This side is a little glazed. The other side is matte frosted. Very nice. I can work with that. See? Now I'm getting happy again. I was getting a little upset because there were things I didn't know and one too many Post-its for me, for my liking. Okay, so this is cute memo paper, which is great. So you have the blank pages. You have some graph pages here. And I think I saw a line. Did I see line? Yes, and line. So you have blank, graph, and line. Oh, there's a dot grid there too. Oh, okay. Cool. Different note pages. These are very, very useful. So that's cool. What else we got in this box? We got, ooh, you know, I was trying to make one of these in Canva, but forget that because this came out way better than what I was trying to, struggling there. Make. Nice. Ooh, feels great too. Lovely. Another 2020 divider. Perfect. Ooh, because I need to get my A6 right. I can't get it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. Now, oh, I love the way this feels. What kind of paper is this? Oh my God, it's like so smooth. You know what it feels like? Those matte pens that you buy. And they feel so nice. Oh my God, this one feels good. But this, oh, I'm in love with this. That is so cute. Let me get all this plastic junk out my way. And what else? Do we have anything else in here? Yes. Okay, let's see. Let's get rid of this. Okay, this is like messiest unboxing ever. And this is like a notepad for the day. So it's like a daily notepad. Isn't that bad? Not bad at all. And it's a nice size. So for people like me who write big, this is really cool. Do date. You do circle a day of the week. Write your priorities here. Any notes. A little quick schedule right here. Not bad at all. This is definitely something I can write on and just stick in my planner and go. All right, so let's do a quick recap. We have this notepad here, a daily notepad. Very nice. We have this adorable matte finished 2020 divider. Another 20 divider. We have note paper and blank, dot grid, grid, and lined. We have a Today divider, glossy on one side, frosted matte on the other. We have a 2020 frosted matte divider, which is cute. We have a whole bunch of tab pink sticky notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Too many for me. It's just me. You may like them as much as... These are the ones that I really do like. These Post-it dividers, appointment, PM, AM, top 3, and inbox. Those I definitely like. We have 2 colors of cards that I have no idea what to do with. I don't know what these are. Like, seriously. Do you know what this is? No, seriously. If you do, please let me know what this is. And what am I supposed to do with this? I honestly don't know. Nice color, though. Then I got them again in white, and I still don't know what to do with them. And I got these cute little monthly journaling cards, which I really like with the month, and lines for your 3 priorities for the month. This is the pen test card. This is the card with a little code on the back. And here again are our pens. We have a blue marker, a gray marker, a pink, feels like a 0.5 pen. We have a pencil, which is matte smooth, feels really great with refillable leads and of course an eraser. This goes inside of that and you can erase for days. And it came in this cute brown envelope. Okay, quickest unboxing ever. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a positive comment below. If you want to see more videos from me, please feel free to hit that subscribe button so you can be updated when I upload more content. Have a good one. Bye-bye.